sunshine in a glass. Yes, please. The mango mojito is here to flirt with your taste buds. Call me sweet, call me minty, just don't call me basic. Beat the heat with this refreshing mojito. This isn't just a drink, it's a mini vacation. Juicy mango dives into a minty lime pool, all fizzed up and ready to party. Whether you're lounging in the sun or just pretending to, this mango mojito's got your back. Our mango mojito is here to turn your day into a tropical escape, one chilled sip at a time. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Mango Mojito. Take 1 teaspoon. Basil seeds, it's totally optional. Add some water. Give it a good mix. Soak it for 10 minutes. Take 1 mango, remove all the packaging, wash and dry, cut it, cut into cubes, scoop out the mango. Transfer chopped mango into blender jar. This step is totally optional because we are muddling some mango as well. Blend into puree. Keep aside, we will use it later. Our basil seeds are soaked beautifully. Keep aside. In a jug, add a few lemon or lime wedges. Add chopped mango. Add some fresh mint leaves. 2 tablespoons caster sugar. 1/4 teaspoon rock salt. Muddle it. Crush it to release juices and the mint oils. Our muddled mixture is ready. Take a tall glass and run the lemon around the glass rim. Dip into sugar and coat well. Transfer muddled mixture. Add slice of lemon. Add ice cubes. Pour mango puree. It's totally optional. Add soaked basil seeds. Then top with soda or sparkling water. Served over ice, it's a sunny sip of summer in every glass. Garnish with mint leaves, a slice of mango or lime wedge, and serve chilled. Sun-kissed mango meets garden fresh mint in this golden glass of bliss. Sweet, zesty, and wildly refreshing, it's summer, poured and stirred. A whisper of lime dances through fizzy bubbles, lifting each sip into a breeze of tropical calm. Sip, sip, hooray! Add more soda water if needed. Tropical twist on the classic mojito, this vibrant drink blends the sweetness of ripe mangoes with the refreshing zing of lime and mint. Lightly sweetened and topped with fizzy sparkling soda and served over ice, it offers a refined or yet refreshing experience with every sip. It's the perfect balance of fruity, fresh and cool. Do try this recipe in this summer and share your valuable feedback with us. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.